everybody. My name is Bryn. Mrs. Sawyer has asked me to show you how school is going to look like over the coming weeks. So let's start with the children in reception classes. Here we are by the main big gate. This is where you will line up and wait with your mum or dad or guardian. They will be asked some questions by a member of staff, and then you will make your way up the path. At this point, you stop. If you are in Mrs. Jones's class, you will move straight on. If you are in Mrs. Williams's class, you will head off towards this door here. Your mums or dads or guardians will head off down these stairs. If you are in years 1 or 2 or 3, you will come to school by this gate. Another member of staff will ask your parents some questions, and then you'll be asked to stand on one of these new white dots. These dots are 2 meters apart, keeping you safe when lining up and playing outside. For those of you in years 4, 5 and 6, you will line up here with your parents. Once again, a member of staff will ask your parents some questions. Then you'll be asked to head up the path to the stop sign at the top. Look, you will also notice one of our new hand washing stations here. From here, you will move off to the top yard and stand on one of our new yellow squares. These squares are 2 meters apart to help you understand how big that gap is and to keep you safe. From here, your teacher will take you into school. Inside school is a little different since you last came in March. The tables have been set apart by 2 meters. There are also 2 meter lines on the floor to help you keep your distance. There will be signs like this one all over the school to help remind you of the new rules. In the juniors, there is a new one-way system. Help follow this to get to your class. Also in the juniors, we have a new hand washing station. At the end of the day, you will leave the building by your usual doors. Remember, you must wait for a parent or guardian to pick you up.